In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to dress up in Gacha Club. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have never played Gacha Club or Gacha Life, you will be able to create your very own characters, give them different profiles, different personalities, and of course, dress them up with different clothes. To access all of the customization options, download Gacha Club or Gacha Life, and when you open it up, you will have all of the presets here at the left. So you can tap on any of them and you can browse through pre-made options. So you can select them here. You can choose random as well, where every single option is going to be randomized. Or if you want to start your own from scratch, I recommend choosing the default girl or default boy and then going through all of the categories. So first you will have body, where you can change the pose, you can change the height, head size, and so on. You will have head, and most importantly, the focus of this video, the clothes. So you will have a bunch of hats to pick from. You can either use the left and right arrows or tap on the icon to browse through all of the pages. Once you select one, it is going to be applied on your character at the left. You can choose glasses. You can choose accessories. And I'm going to go fast through all of these just so I can display them with ease, but you can clearly notice that there is a lot of customization to do. Whenever you tap on any of them, they will be applied on your character right away, and you can preview it at the left. You can save these different characters, give them different names, and all of the characters that you have created will be available. You can share them with other people, take screenshots, pose them using the studio, and so on. And all that you need to do to dress up is to use these options here. Primarily clothes, but of course you have a bunch of other things that you can change about your own character. So if this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So by subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.